scientists, what I would like to do today is show you how to draw a Bohr diagram as well as a Lewis dot structure for the element boron. And one tool I like to have in front of me for doing this kind of work is a periodic table of elements. It gives you a quick way to have the right information that you need for this activity. So without any further ado, my first step is to locate the element on the periodic chart, and it's right here. And I notice that it has an atomic number of 5 and an atomic mass unit of 10.81. Now, for the purpose of this activity, I'm going to round this number to 11. Now, for the number 5, my atomic number, that is the same thing as my number of protons, as well as my number of electrons. Now I can calculate from my number of neutrons, in which I take the atomic mass number and subtract the atomic element number from the chart. So that would be 11, so take away 5, which is 6. Now I am ready to draw in my Bohr diagram. And one thing I like to do is I could go in here and draw 5 circles for the protons and 6 circles for the neutrons, but I don't want to do that because when you get into the larger elements, that's a lot of little circles, a lot of counting, and it's too much. So what you can do is just simply write in the 5 protons and then write in the 6 neutrons. Okay, so your nucleus is now represented. Now I need to show the electrons placement. Now, I'm going to start with the first energy ring, and I know that can contain 2 of the 5 electrons. This energy level is now full. It can only hold 2. That means I need to move to the second energy level for 1, 2, and 3. So I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electrons. And the electrons here on this outmost energy ring, these are my valence electrons. And I'm going to use those for the Lewis dot diagram. To begin the Lewis dot diagram, you'll begin with the symbol of the element, and for boron, that is a capital B. And now I want to correctly draw or represent the valence electrons around that. So that's going to be 1, 2, and 3. I hope you found this video helpful, and now off you go to practice this work in Google Classroom. Bye, scientists.